Hello, I want to give you a quick demo today of how to set up a folder in Enterprise Vault using Policy Manager and to make the folder non-deletable. The reason you might want to do this is to create a specific folder structure and deploy it to a range of users, and to apply specific retention categories to those folders, and of course to stop users deleting folders in your structure. So in this short demo I will create a simple folder for one test user. You can imagine how you can roll this out to all your users and to implement a particular folder structure. You need an EVPM script that looks a bit like this. I'm going to do it for my user Jeff1. You can also change it to have the distinguished name all, and it will go out to all of your users. I'm going to create the folder called Keep Forever. You can use almost any name you like except special named folders like Inbox and Sent Items. I've put a tilde in front of the folder name just so it appears at the top of the list of folders in Outlook. You need the entry non-deletable and set it to true. This will indicate to Enterprise Vault that you can't delete the folder. You also need the entry at the bottom of the folder section called Override Archive Locks, which essentially overrides the archiving policy settings. I'm going to run this now on my test user. Over here on the client machine, you can see that I am in Outlook cache mode, so I have to wait a minute or two for the folder to appear or click on Send and Receive. There is my folder. I can put items in the folder, I can delete items from the folder, but what I can't do is delete the folder itself. Back on the EV server, I can change my distinguished name field to all and roll this out to all my users. If I set non-deletable to false, it allows me to clear things up on my client machine and is useful if you've done this on a test user. So that is how you create a folder that's non-deletable using EVPM. It's non-deletable from Outlook and Outlook Web Access so long as the Enterprise Vault Outlook add-in and the OR extensions are installed. I can target one or many users with the folder structure. I can create a single folder or an entire folder structure. I hope that showing you how to create a non-deletable folder is useful to you. Thank you. Goodbye.